Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be going over how to install the latch for the bonnet or the hood, depending on which country you're in. I got this one from the internet. Seems like it's a pretty good quality. The steel on it feels really good, feels really solid. So we're just going to go over how to install it and how to replace it. Yeah, just little things like this I like to do to styling my car. And this is an E46. As you can see, it is the sedan. And so yeah, let's go over how to install it. Apparently all you need is a screwdriver, so I got this one, which is a little bit short hand screwdriver, and that should be all that you need. It needs to be a Phillips head. Okay, so let's go through it. Just one Phillips head screw, as you can see, and it just comes off like that. This is the back of it. Sorry about the low quality. I'm working in a garage and it's not really a well lit garage, but it is what it is. Oh, there we go. Honestly, guys, this is the first time I did something on this car that took like less than a minute. The only thing I can remember that took less time than this was like changing the wipers. Actually, I think the wipers took a lot more time than this. So let's just make sure it's in all the way. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah, and that's it. That's it, guys. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty nice. It actually looks better from the camera angle. I can't really see it that way, but from this angle it just looks really nice. Seems in there pretty sturdy. Yep, and the hood is good. All right, thanks guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.